Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on role administrator on advanced permissions on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, click settings, and now click roles. Now click here, now click permissions. Here as you see you will find it here, you will find advanced permission settings here, and you will find administrator. Click on it like this, and now as you see click save. That's it will be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.